Apartment hacks for renters. 25 brilliant tips, fast and easy. Transform your apartment with 25 brilliant, fast, and easy hacks for renters, making your space a stylish haven without breaking the bank. Unleash your creativity with removable solutions for personalizing your space, ensuring it remains landlord-friendly. Discover renter-specific advice on adhering to lease agreements and choosing budget-friendly, low-difficulty projects that require minimal DIY skills. Find essential supplies at local dollar stores, hardware stores, or online with links to helpful resources provided. Add personality with removable wallpaper, decals, and gallery walls, and maximize storage with multifunctional furniture and clever closet organizers. Create a cozy ambience with soft lighting options, update kitchens and bathrooms on a budget, and add luxurious touches without major renovations. Incorporate warmth and texture with area rugs and throws. Choose low-light plants for greenery, and creatively divide open spaces for privacy and separation.